He's just trying to do some. He's just doing some of my. He's doing some. Give me the drill. He's doing some work for me.
I'm actually installing Alan's audio components. You hear? We want a custom box that we made for him. We're hooking him up with the Power T2.
The T2s, huh?
Yeah, we got a custom 12-inch that I'm doing for him.
Hey, just be careful with the rubber. I seen that you were
I know
grabbing
what I'm doing.
Oh, sorry.
We're actually hooking his car up with the T2 components.
Oh, shit.
3, 12.
Oh, fuck.
And I'm actually rewiring everything for him so he can be more efficient.
Alright. How much are you charging me? Oh, nothing. You're a wetback. Oh, shit. Damn, what happened right here?
Oh, you decided to do a combo on it.
What kind of combo? What? What do you mean?
2 Fosgate amps.
To what?
2 Fosgate amps. Come here.
Oh.
As you can see, we got the T1001 channel.
They're a little dirty.
Yeah, well, they're used, I mean.
No.
But I'm giving you a good discount.
What the fuck? Okay, I like that. Thanks, buddy.
Savage, you work the savage.
Yeah, leave it in the car.
Stop fucking recording me, I don't know if I am.
After 2 minutes of video, you get mad.
Hey, it should be charged, right?
It should be alright, better be.